The joy in others mirrors joy. The pain we share is real to me. What once appeared as separate paths now softens into one. Each face reflects the same deep light, the many held as none. Compassion opens hidden doors where distance falls away. Kindness moves through every form in what we do and say. Through shared delight and shared concern, the veil begins to part, and unity is gently known within the listening heart. Some walk by love and sacred trust with feeling as their guide. They bow in wonder to the whole and let devotion decide. Some choose the road of steady will with mind refined and clear. They master thought and silent sight until the truth draws near. Compassion opens hidden doors where distance falls away. Kindness moves through every form in what we do and say. Through shared delight and shared concern, the veil begins to part, and unity is gently known within the listening heart. Some climb the heights with burning drive and reach the peak with speed. Some move like currents deep and sure, where balance shapes the need. Some travel slow yet never stop, with patience strong and wide. Each path arrives at sacred ground where love and truth reside. No road is wrong, no step misplaced when hearts align with care. The soul remembers what it knows in every breath we share. Through compassion lived and unity felt, the deeper truth is found. All paths return